How to solve ReadTimeoutError error. Pips connection pool host equals pippy.python.org, port equals 443, with pip. I recently need to install some packages. I also tried by writing sudo before them, but all it came up with the following errors in red lines.
Use default timeout equals 100 parameter with the install.
Or alternatively, worked for me on Mac OS X.
There are two ways to handle this issue. Or, note, if you are not super user of your machine, the sudo pip command will not work.
Upgrading pip solved the problem for me.
Video nachdruckse Inne, die Assidensgeist